Hello, welcome back to Season 3 of Website Wednesday. We absolutely loved making these videos last time for you. I know they've had massive success and you guys have found them really useful. So me and Jack have decided we want to keep farming the information that's in my head and actually the rest of the teams and all of the stuff that we learn along the way. We help so many people build websites at every single workshop that I learn something new every single time too. So we want to share that with you, and that's essentially what this whole season's about. This season we're going to go a little bit more in depth with some really specific stuff. I thought I'd start this season with this, which is the biggest 3 mistakes that people make when they are building a website for a startup. I mean the grassroots style startup, the position you're probably in, which is I've got my idea, I know what I want to do. I've not yet made any money, I've not found any customers, and that's what I need to do next. So I want to go through the mistakes that people use, and I'm going to use Weebly as our main one because that's the one we teach, it's the one we use, it's the one we know the best. First mistake that people make, when you first create your Weebly website or your Weebly account, it throws you straight into the builder. And before it lets you build anything, before it lets you make any decisions and choose your domain names or anything like that, it asks you this massive question: do you want to sell online? Most of us are going to say, yes I do. Because that's the whole point. We're building websites so it can make us some money. Now, here's what happens. If I click yes on this button here, on do I want to sell online, what that does is it puts me into Weebly's e-commerce platform, which is very similar to the standard Weebly editor. However, it puts you straight into a 14-day free trial of their e-commerce. It's where you fully upload products, you give them all descriptions, you give them prices, and people can buy stuff straight through your website. A lot of people, and we see this all the time in the workshop, people say yes because they want to sell stuff online. Actually, if you're trying to build your website and you don't know whether your business is going to work or not, we've got a better way around for you. If you click not now, that will put you into the standard editor. It is much easier to navigate. It doesn't try and get you to upload products and do all this other stuff. It just lets you build your website. It just lets you put a front-facing online presence for your business. Please hit not now. It makes your life endlessly easier. We've also got another video coming up in this series, which is it's going to be me showing you how to build a shop using Weebly through this not now button and PayPal. Because PayPal is the one we recommend for a startup business, a grassroots startup, taking money online and selling some of their stuff. So we can show you that. So that's number one mistake. Please make sure you press not now. Don't press yes, because it will give you this complete other thing that you don't yet need. It's too much for what you're trying to do just now. And number 2, the second biggest mistake that people make is they try and put everything that is up here onto the website. Now that seems really obvious, but you need to be so focused with this stuff, because if you create a website that has all of the ideas and all of the information about your story and all of this stuff, 2 things are going to happen. The first one, you're going to go insane because it's going to take you so long to create that, and it's going to be so frustrating to actually build it, make it look nice, because essentially you've just done a brain dump, haven't you? You've put everything out of here onto that page. And the second one is that if your customers look at a website that is completely scattered and doesn't really have a proper focus and it's not clear, you're going to lose customers. People are going to leave your website. So that's the second biggest mistake, is be focused. Choose the one thing that you're going to do and just talk about that. All of the other stuff, we can add that later. We can grow the website as you grow your business. Don't try and create your website where it needs to end. And number 3 is the most important to me. This is the one that I see the most often, is people do not ask for the sale. That is one of the 3 most important things that you need to do on your website. People need to be able to look at your website, they need to be able to see what it is that you do, why you're different, and what you want them to do next. What is the next action? Buy now, see our gallery, see the shop, call me, get in touch, book a meeting. Whatever your call to action is, be clear, make sure it's on there, because that is something that so many people miss out, and actually it just generates business. It tells your customers what they need to do. Your customers are lazy and they are busy. they're not going to figure it out for themselves. We have to show them. We have to tell them what it is we want them to do. So those are my three biggest mistakes that people make when they are creating their new websites. I wanted to share those with you so you can have a running start when you start your website. Please don't make these mistakes. Go and make new ones, and then I'll make another video about that in the next season. Have a great time. Hope that was useful. See you next time.